Hello students, how are you all? Myself Dr. Hanif Page. We are discussing, already we have discussed two sessions, one is on indices, one is on certs. Today is my topic is about some important tricks which I already have shared, that I will apply to some examples. So one trick which already I have given, already I have done this. One more important one, if A, B, C, D are positive real numbers and square root of B, square root of C, square root of D are their surds, means they are irrational numbers. A, B, C, D are real numbers, but here A is not surd. Square root of B, square root of C, square root of D are surds. Then I will make use of that trick, how to find the square root of A plus square root of B plus square root of C plus square root of D. So what I am doing here, I am finding square root of A plus root B plus root C plus root D. So students, this is nothing but 4 times square root of BD by 4C, 4 times it is BC by 4D plus 4 times it is CD by 4B. So sequence you have to remember. The numerator which I have written here BD I will start with, where C is absent, that you have to write in the denominator. BD, C, BC, D, CD. So here B. Only you have to write in between B, C, D, not A. Okay. A will not come into picture here. So this is the trick. This is the trick. So example for this, square root of 6 plus 2 root 3, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. If you want to find the square root of 6 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, that I will write in this standard form. That is square root of 6. This I have tried completely in terms of a surd. 2 I will take inside the square root. So that becomes 4. 4 into 3, 12. Square root of 12 plus square root of 2 I will take inside the square root. That becomes 4 into 2, 8 plus square root of this 2 I will take inside this square root. That becomes 4. 4 into 6, 24. Now it is in this format. B here is 12. C is 8. D is 12. D is, sorry, 24. D is 24. So now I will write this 4 times BD by 4 into C. C is 8 plus 4 times BC, B into C by D is 24 plus 4 times CD, 8 into 24 by 4 into B, that is 12. First I have simplified. I want to apply this trick to simplify this square root. So now 4. So this comes out to be 4 3s are, this 8 3s are, then 3 by 3 here, then this will be 2 into 2. So this comes out to be 4 into 3 plus 4 plus 8, 12, 24. Answer is 24. So if you remember this trick, you can apply, you'll get the answer for this as 24. I hope this is clear, students. Okay. Now, don't afraid of such type of examples. Remember this trick, apply again and again, so that this trick you have to remember. Start from B, D, C you have to write here. Start from B, C, D is here, then C, D. So it is B, C, D. Combination you have to remember, BD, first combination, BC, second combination, and CD. So simple. First combination, second combination, and the third combination. If you remember this, denominators you can write easily. So this is an important trick to solve the examples on the third. So let me take some more examples. Some more examples. So how to find the value of root 8 by 3? So root 8 raised to 1 by 3, root 8 is a third, means 8 raised to 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3. The power of power, the index power of power, that power you have to multiply. This is what you have studied. So this comes out to be 8 to the power of 1 by 6. 8 to the power of 1 by 6. But still 8 you can write it as, 8 can be written as 2 cube raised to 1 by 6. Then this is 3 into 1 by 6. So it is 2 raised to half. That is nothing but square root of 2. So simplification is, this is the simplification. Or 8 only you can write 2 raised to 3 here. 2 raised to 3 you can write. Root 8 raised to 1 by 3 we can write. This is again a possibility. So 2 raised to 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 1 by 2. So both the possibilities you can have. The next example is about value of 3, 2, 32, 243 raised to minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. So this, because of minus sign, I can interchange numerator and denominator. Now it becomes plus 4 by 5. So we know that a to the power of minus n. We know that a to the power of minus n is 1 by a to the power of n. Same thing I have written here, interchange. Now this 243 we can write in the form of 3 raised to 5. This is 3 raised to 2 raised to 5 whole raised to 4 by 5. So now numerator separately I will write 3 raised to 5 to the power of 4 by 5, 2 to the power of 5 raised to 4 by 5. So multiply the powers. So it is 3 raised to 4 and this is 2 to the power of 4. This is 81 by 16. The power of power. Power raised to power. Okay. Students, we are discussing examples on surds. So that is a combination of indices as well as surds. So we are following some tricks. So if you want to simplify the terms like x to the power of 7 by 2 cube, x to the power of 5 by 2 into square root of y. The simplified form will be, for this, bases are same, x, then you have to subtract the powers. So x to the power of 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2, this one. This can be written as y to the power of 3 by 2, this is y to the power of 1 by 2. So this comes out to be x to the power of 1, this is y to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, this x raised to 1. So this answer is also y to the power of 2 by 2, that is 1. Answer is xy. That is the simplified form. And if a by b raised to x minus 1 and b by a raised to x minus 3, then what is the value of x? What is the value of x? It's very easy, students. A to the power of b is equal to this. So now here I want to make equality of terms. Here the term is a by b raised to x minus 1. Here it is b by a. Terms are not same. So now I will interchange this. I will make this a by b. Then this becomes 3 minus x or minus of x minus 3. Now equality of term, there is a law of indices. Whenever we have equality of two terms, if the bases are same, then compare their powers. So this implies, students, I am comparing x minus 1 is equal to 3 minus x. 3 minus x, take this term to this side, it becomes 2x. Then this becomes 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is 2. The value of x is 2. So this is about examples. Now we have one more example of the similar kind. 5 raised to x plus 3, 25 raised to 3x minus 4. Then what is the value of x? What is the value of x? So again it is the equality of two terms. Whenever there is a equality of two terms, please remember, students, make the bases equal. Now that can be written as 5 square. 5 square. Okay. Then this is 2 into 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. So that is 6x minus 8. Now equality of two terms whose bases are same. So compare their powers. X plus 3 is equal to 6x minus 8. So take this term to this side, 6x minus 5 and 3 plus 8. So this is 6x minus x, then 3 plus 8, that is 11. Okay. This x is 5x, this is 11. So x is 11 by 5. 11 by 5. I hope this is clear, students. So we are solving examples on surds. So let me solve one more important result of the kind square root of 5 by 2, 7 minus 3 root 5, square root of 7 by 2, square root of 16 minus 5 root 7. So question here is whether the answer is a rational number, B, whether it is a surd, C, multiple of root 7, D, none. So this important result we are solving. So one by one can solve. This I will write here. This is equal to root 5 by root 2 plus 7. Take these 3 inside the square root, that becomes 9. 9 into 5, 45. So whole divided by square root of 7 by square root of 2 plus 16 minus, take this 5 inside the square root, that becomes 25. 25 into 7. So 25 into 7 is how much? 25 into 7. 175. Yes, students? 175. Okay. So now multiply this. Now take LCM means root 2. 1 by root 2 will be LCM. So root 5 plus root 2 into root 7 minus 45. So root 2 will get cancelled here. Root 7 plus root 2 into 16 minus 175. Then root 5 plus this I will take inside the bracket. So that is root 2 means 14 minus 14. So that will be 6. So 9, 180. Yes. Root 7 plus 32, 180. And this will be 700. So that is a simplified form. So I hope this is clear, students. To simplified form, or otherwise what you can do is simplest form you can use. Simplest form you can use. So here no confusion. So what I will do is, so write as it is 7 minus 3 root 5. So otherwise it will create a confusion here. I will write as it is. So now root 5 plus root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 5. 3 root 5 whole divided by root 7 plus root 2, 16 minus 5 root 7. Okay, so now there is no confusion. So now what you can do is take this root 2, I have to take inside this. So it will be 14 minus 6 root 5. So root 7 plus it is 32 minus 10 root 7. Okay. The way is also correct, but here it becomes very simple, so that you should not get confusion. So I am writing this once again, root 14. Now this take 6 inside this, that becomes 36. 36 into 5, again same number, 180, 180, 180, and this comes out to be 32 minus, so 700. So 10 I will take inside this. So now for me, here two numbers. Numerator is in the form of root of a minus root b. Here root of a minus root b. So both negative here. So the expression now I will use a minus b. So this expression already I have shared, students. That is square root of a plus square root of a square minus b divided by 2 minus a minus square root of a square minus b divided by 2. So this formula you have to apply, sorry, here minus, a minus. So here I have to apply for this term separately, for this term separately. Here a value is 14, here b value is 180, here a value is 32, b value is 700. So separately let me find this, students. Separately numerator is 14 minus of 180. So that will be square root of a plus a square. A is 14, b is 180. Using the formula, a square means 14 square is 196 minus b as it is divided by 2. This minus 14 minus 196 minus 180 divided by 2. This comes out to be square root of 14. This is 16. Square root of 16 is 4 plus 4 by 2 minus 14 minus 4 by 2. This comes out to be 18. That is 9 is 3 minus 10. 10 by 2 is 5. That is root 5. So the value of the numerator reduced to this. Now the denominator, the number is 32 minus square root of 700. Again I will apply the same formula here. A value is 32, b value is 700. So it is square root of a 32 plus a square 32 square. 32 square can be written as 30 plus 2 square. You can find this number, that comes out to be 1024 minus 700, that is the value of b. 32 minus 32 minus square root of 1024 minus 700 whole divided by 2. So this comes out to be 32 plus this is 324 by 2. 32 minus square root of 324 minus 2. So now this solution is 32 plus square root of 324 is 18. So now this becomes, as I mentioned in the first day, I have a YouTube session on factorization. There I told you to remember the squares. So now the number will be, this is 50, 25, 5 minus 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18, 32 minus 18 is comes out to be 14 by 2, 7. That is root 7. So the answer will be, so this is the number we got. This is numerator. This is a denominator, students. So now the answer will be root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 root 7 plus 5 plus 5 minus root 7. So this comes out to be 3 by 5. So answer is a rational number. Answer is a rational number. So here I have used the trick. That is a minus square root of b. So numerator separately I got, denominator separately I got. So students, such type of tricks I am discussing in further sessions. So please like and subscribe this and join Rio Academy for PGCET MCA. Myself, Dr. Hanif Page. I will be handling maths for PGCET MCA. So please, we will help you to get through PGCET to get maximum marks up to 34. So please join, like, subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.